Lumalamig.
Oo, mga yun. Magkano?
Di na tulad ng dati, may pag-asa pa ba? Akala ko ba'y okay lang? Kung hindi nga ako ang nararapat sa'yo, lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad ng dati, may pag-asa pa ba? Lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad ng dati. Thank you sa like. Thank you sa viewers. 1 million. Lumalamig ang gabi. Thank you sa Regular Cross for the likes. Ray! Thank you, Ray! Lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad ng dati, may pag-asa pa ba? Lumalamig ang gabi. Thank you so much for the likes. Hey, thank you, Ray. Sir Edgar Cause. Lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad ng dati. No secrets, no lies. Hi, Hakan Sitino. Hi, thank you for joining. Lumalamig. Thank you so much. You're so sexy. Oh, thank you so much. Hakan Sitinal. Why you love me? Prof. Habakuk. Lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad dati, may pag-asa pa ba? Lumalamig. Thank you so much. How are you, beautiful? Thank you, Diana Camara. Take no pop. Hi, Rafael Pazeri. Thank you, beautiful. Oh my God, thank you so much. Lumalamig ang gabi. Jane Jackies Mafrai. Always beautiful. Kiss to you. Thank you so much. Hi, Francisco Diaz's. Papa Mother soul but can take care of her beautiful body. Thank you. Lumalamig ang gabi. Hindi na. You dance very smart. Thank you. I'm not a singer, but I'm just that. Lumalamig. Just dance. Thank you. Hello, Manuel Zebra. Hi. Thank you. Hey, Daz. How are you? I'm fine. Hi, Isa. Hi, sis. I like here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Good morning with Jesus, beautiful Rio. Thank you. Hello, everyone from Isa Lopez. Thank you so much. I'm fine po. Hello from Texas, Mark. Where I'm from Philippines, he does. Thank you, Isa. Malamig. Kabado. Kabado kasi uwi na si Michael. Hello, Little Peanut. You're welcome. Little Peanut. Kabado, darating na si Michael. Michael Jordan. Don't be nervous. Yes. We counting the heaters now because we meet. My goodness. Hello to the heaters. God bless us. I'm hidden. What's your name? I'm Sheryl. Thank you, Isa, for the inspiring motivation ba? How many days to go? 7 days to go. My goodness. But the heaters. Thank you so much for the heaters. Panoorin nyo kung paano maging masaya. Charot. Ano lang, natural happiness. Something like beautiful. Coming soon, Sonyas. Beautiful name. Do you have a kid or are you married? Not yet married, but I have a kid. My goodness. Bukas. How old is he? He's older than me. 60 plus. Hi, beauty. That's why. We having a past relationship. May Pilipino siyang karelasyon before, but hindi ko inaasahan kasi nga pushing pa, something like that. Yung mga ganun. Yung namin, unexpected. Kasi nga, fresh, broken heart. Parehas kami, galing sa failed relationship. Oh, and it didn't work, yes. Hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung may issue sila, pero wala ako doon sa pangyayaring yun. Kaya I have no right to judge. I have no right to judge sa kanilang dalawa. Tapos ako rin may issue sa nakaraan. So, bahala sila mag-judge sa akin. Basta ako, I know myself. I know my worth and I know myself. I'm already married. I'm getting married soon. My goodness. My past relationship. Bahala kayo kung ikaw yung humusga, kung ano man nakaraan ko. But one thing is for sure. Hindi ako nakikipag bam 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 bam. Yes. Isa lang yung nakarelasyon as anak ng ama ng tatay, ama ng anak ko, ganon. I'm already like Christine, thank you. Gleejex connecting, thank you so much. Hidden and looking for a Philippines woman one day to fall in love with and build a family and life with. You will find hidden. You will find someone Filipina. Nazan. Hey, Baltimore, Susa. Hey, Sheryl Ohm. Ronald says hi from Hawaii. Hi, Ronald from Hawaii. Thank you for joining. Hey, Rosie. You want more children? It will happen to the hubby soon. Why not? Isa. Thanks, Isa. Come to the Netherlands and show your life. Thank you, Rosie, for the inviting. But I enjoy the life with my hubby. I was about to win in that game. Really? MLM? Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. Man, I was watching other stream. I commented her accidentally. Sorry, it's okay. It's fine. No worries about me. How many children do you have, sister? One. I have one kid. Never been married. Hello, Mystic, Mirage, Bam, hi, Bam, Juan Oliver, hello. Thank you, Mystic, Mirage. Hi, Darwin. He love to see your live stream. Thank you, Mystic. Little Shell and everyone. Thank you, Isa. Thank you, Isa Lopez. Thank you so much for joining the live here. I really appreciate it. Greetings from Indonesia. Hi, Bam from Indonesia. Thank you for joining. I'm no right, I'm no right, I'm no right. I'm no right, I'm no right, I'm no right. I'm no right, I'm no right. Ay, hindi ako makapag-ano. Kung anong pinaplano ko, hindi nag... Thank you so much for the 2 million in the house. Sorry, I don't understand the Arabic. Please translate it in English. My goodness. Please. English, please. Thank you so much for the 40 people in the house. Thank you, Sir Edgar Christ. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. How is Jennifer going? Happy? Uy, di kasing ako. Talaga ako. Gab. Gabriel. Gab. She's still working, Sir Edgar Christ. She's hard working. She's so busy, that's why. No time. And me, our time is not, like, magtagpo. I need to put the lipstick maybe because I need to feel beautiful my live stream. Alright. Yes, need to put the lipstick. Kasi yung blush, we have a blusher na. So we need to entertain our blusher. Sorry. Oh my god, my gulay. Yuck. Marco Duban, thank you so much. If you are better than me, feels grateful. No need to drag down other woman. Hi, how are you? I am from Brazil. Thank you. From Brazil. I know it's very hard. I just wonder how is she. And if you heard from here, and that's okay. Okay po. Sorry, I got the cross. Thank you so much. How are Mary? Where are you from, David? Where are you from? Thank you so much, Archange Mangise. I'm from Germany. How are you doing? I'm from Philippines. I'm doing live on my YouTube. I'm working. I'm working my YouTube channel, something like. I'm alright. I'm alright. Thank you. 37 people in the house. You look amazing. Aw, thank you, Sir David. Thank you, not Lee, not this tea. Oh, ang kulit. Have you had lunch yet? Dinner, done dinner. Done dinner here in the Philippines. Can I have your number? Why? No number. Why are you asking the number? Kamu buka blah, blah, blah. Starbucks, where are you from? Good morning from Italy. Hi, Chiara from Italy. Finamore. Chiara Finamore from Italy. Thank you for joining. Leno Costa. Bleh. Thank you. Because you are interesting. Interesting for Starboard, where are you from? I'm not right, I'm not right. Thank you for joining. Charlie, Vicky, hi Vicky. Hey Charlie. I can't imagine life. Life without your love, living forever, don't seem like one more. Hello, you. Hi. Hey, Charlie. Hey, William Incarnation. Hello, Barbie. Hey, Barbie. Let's. Oh my God, Starboy. Sorry, I don't entertain people like you here on my channel. You know what? I don't waste my time people like you. Starboy, not here. A lot of live streaming here in YouTube. But me, I don't entertain people like you here on my channel. So easy. You think you can ruin my channel? Wrong mob. I'm too old to play. I'm alright. I don't like playing. Secret hidden. Hi, secret hidden. I'm alright. I'm alright. Da, 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 da. Wawa mobile. Wawa mobile.
Nalupit na din mo.
People like you, Starboy. Lots of people like you. Even if it's single, even if it's married, flirting, lurking to another woman, something like that. And you think me? Ah, I always time like yeah. I'm nice, but having a limitation. My kindness having a limitation, so not me. Atalay Dormos. Hi Atalay Dormos. I'm alright, I'm alright. A lot of people trying to destroy my inner peace. So I'm too kind that people I allow because I'm nice. So maybe I'm too old to do it and to allow to give them a chance. So people learn from experience, and a lots of people trying. Let me check the news first. Okay. Hello, Atalay Dormos. Hi, Atalay. Thank you so much. Maybe not everyone. Let's think about it again. What do you mean, Wawa Mobile? What about, what the topic? What topic about the news? What is that? Thank you so much. So hit the likes. I'm not right. I'm not right. I'm not right. I'm not right. Akala mo hindi kita. Akala mo lang yan. Ang pag-ibig na nagdahides. Diza Kafer from Indonesia. Thank you so much from Indonesia. Diza Kafer. I don't matter. Maribok naman. I can say but with nothing. And you're the only reason. Only truth. I need you like tomorrow, like red, like right. Thank you, 20 million the house. Where you from, guys? I have a questions. So Cheryl, how is your man going? My man, he is still sleeping now, Sir Edgar Cross, because he sleep late. Hi, Johnny Vaga. Thank you so much for joining. Sir Edgar Cross is still sleeping because he sleep late. My man. I see this man is red green flag. That's why. It's respectful, genuine, good peep, good man. That's why. No lies. Loyal, trust people, trusted man. Well, let's see him. Hi. And I think this man we have same vibes. That's it. The vision in life, like having a goal, same goal, same vibes, something like that. He's so nice. Thank you, 26 people in the house. Parang mukha na akong I'm looking so tired. I'm looking so tired pa. Lurking ka. Lurking ka. So, have you spoke to him lately? Yes po. We talk lately po sa Regular Cross. He treat me and my niece for the Jollibee, something like that. And my son. Thank you so much for the Jollibee. Thank you, 19 million in the house. Mag-isa hanggang dito na lang. Tanging tanong hanggang dito na lang. The lame man has grass of the old man. Oh, really? That's what you think? Is it true? Pop try. Hanggang dito na lang. Greeting of success, mother, peace be upon you. Nona Aja. Where are you from, Nona? Sa labi ko, dahil sa pag-ibig. Why love me? Walasim, walalasim. Too fast. Why you love me if you love anybody? Duh. You love me and you love them and you love others. It's a playing. Well, that's good. You spoken to him and that he treat you and your niece very well, and your boy, that's nice. Yes, Foster Edgar cause he's so nice, very supportive one, man. That's why when he talked to me about because we having a past relationship, that's why. And I think for me this guy is a very good plug. So maybe I don't know what happens for that. But everything has a reason, that's why. This guy, he deserves to be loved and to love and to be loved. That's why I need to meet this man because he deserves it, and maybe we destined to meet each other. That's why, because last year it's a very difficult year in my life. A lot, but it's how tested my personality, very testing my patient personality, how how brave I am. That's why it's brilliant. Gab, ano mo na ito, Gab? Sarado mo na, please. Please lang. Hanggang dito na lang. So, very true, yes po. Yes, Sir Edgar Cross, everything has a reason. That's why. If you meet this man for having a good purpose, if whatever you do to the person having a bad or a good, it's having a bad or a good karma. Believe it or not. Whatever we do and are bad or a good deed to the person, it having a bad or a good karma. If you're doing bad, yeah, my karma is real. If you're doing good, the good karma is real. So that always choose to be good. That's why whatever happens, accept what mistakes. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's in this world. Nobody's perfect. Everyone having a fault, having a mistake. No need to drag down, to praise yourself because someone blame others to raise their self. Then that's why lots of people nowadays they drag others. They see the others mistake, but they see their own mistake. Yes po. Your action, you're responsible. You don't need to blame to others your mistakes. No need, because it's yourself. Why you need to blame your mistake to others? It's you're responsible. If you're having a mistake, you need to accept your mistake, not to others, because you said because of something like that. No, your decision, it's yourself. You decided. Jose Guzman, thank you so much. That's why when someone have it before, I accept what I mistakes, even if that's not yes, because it's me, not to others. How I blame others, because it's my decision to for that. How I blame, oh my god, how I blame others. I'm so stupid because I think this man is something like that. I think I trust the person, but it's not. Thank you so much for 14 people in the house. That's right, nobody's perfect. But some people are there think they are, yes, sorry, because some people they think they are perfect. No, even if you are always in the church, you're not perfect. Nobody's perfect. That's why I wonder. That's why I wonder if you are having a mistake. You don't need to blame the others. That's why, because you give it the fucking lies, something like that. You need to accept that you mistake, something like that. Because it's fine to be mistake, but it's not good to drag others because you to prove you to prove others you are good to them. That's not good. It's a fake liars. Yes, I'm not perfect, I will admit that. Yes, but nobody's perfect, Sir Egerkos. But the mistake, it makes me feel you. But remember, what we mistakes is it help us to be a better person. That's why. Ignatos Sindarto, hi. Thank you, 36 likes. Oh my god, amazing. 18 people here now. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much. Salamat sa nag-likes. Thank you to the hit the likes. Thank you so much. Pangiti-ngiti lang. Palarking-larking lang ba? Palarking-larking ka. Sayang. Does Jennifer have children? Yes, but she have a children. That's why she working so hard. Sorry, girl, class. She working a lot. Marcela Cristiano Vera, hi. "24 people in the house. Suddenly 13. I thought that's why she was working so hard. Yes, that's why she was working so hard. Are you divorced? No, I'm not yet married. Not yet married. Never been married. I've never been married. That's why no divorce. No divorce here in the Philippines. If you are married here in the Philippines, no divorce here. How many children does she have? I think three. Something like the three. Bayaan mo naman yung doon ng cellphone mo, gaba.
May ang
Kag
nakasin.
kaya nag-irog ka. Sandiri, dahil sa anong galing na irog son. Thank you po. 15 million in the house. 15 million agad. Yes po, Sir Garger Cross. Ikaw sa akin ng bituin, walang kupasang ligay kang walang hanggan. So, baby, if you are single, let me be friends. It's okay to be friends, but I'm not taken. I am not single. I'm taken. Has she been married? No, they're not. Never. Jennifer never been married. Hi, Abby. Thank you for joining. Best chick dance high along with short challenge, please, please. Okay. How old is she, Miss? How old is she, Miss? She's same as my age, 41 years old. Pa. Ikaw. Hi, Beno Kumar. Beno Kumar. Bestie, I'm so good. That's great, Abby. Sa akin ng bituin. That's great. Thank you for hit the likes. Super. Oh, thank you, Beno Kumar. Super. Thank you so much. Darating na talaga siya. Panay huninantik eh. Parating na. Parating na yung inaabangan. Gorgeous Ollie. Hi, Gorgeous Ollie. Uwing-uwi na. Thank you, 24 people in the house. Love ya. Thank you so 31 people. Where are you from? Ikaw sa akin ng bituin, walang kupasang di kaya kang walang hanggan. Ako'y sa'yo, ika'y para sa akin. No, like, why are you crying? Bakit? Oh my God, very soon a meeting with my hub. Pretty soon, my goodness.
Hanggang sa labas. Mapupo ka na.
Thanks. The poor little one is not happy. Yes, my niece, my grand niece. Yes, mommy. Crying. Bestie, I like Beyonce and I like Maria Carla Vistes. Okay. Whatever. Whatever, Abby. She needs ice cream and chocolate. Yeah, yes, but not now. Not not all she need to give them need to give her, not all she need to give her. But because if always something, it's getting annoying. He become a spoiled brat. No need. Bestie, I like you, beautiful and smile, and yes, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ah, thank you, Abby. My phone ng Pinas. Wow. Hi, my phone ng Pinas. Salamat so for the likes. My goodness. Yeah, she needs it now so she can be happy. No need. It's okay to be crying. Yes. It practice her heart, something like that. But I need to learn that everyone we want, we don't need get it, because need to we can get it at the perfect time. That's why. That's a life. I love you from Argentina. Hi, Ivan Mauricio from... Uy, sarado mo na yan to. Thank you, Ivan Mauricio from Argentina. Sigurado ka nakakunik ka. Okay, gibi ka na. Mura-mura. Hindi ko man naimod. Okay, ano, may signal ka ba daw? Yeah, okay ba daw ako nakaano ako ha? Thank you, Bloody Alvarez. Hello, beautiful. Thanks. Ako nga naka-live ako, ibig sabihin may signal. Yes, I know that's true, but I'm softly. Yes, pa. Alright. Greetings and a kiss from Venezuela. Ah, thank you from Venezuela. Hi.
Bye-bye na lang. Bye-bye na lang.
Thank you so much. A big kiss. Wow. A big kiss. I don't wanna let you down. You are beautiful. Oh, thank you, Jago. Jago Danielle. Hello, beautiful from Argentina. Ah, thank you so much. watching from Argentina. I don't wanna let you down from where you might belong. Or ask me where the line anymore. Hello, beautiful. Hindi ko na kaya. Isarado mo na ito, Gab, na ano kay, parang hindi ko na kaya na habo mo. Nagano ka? Kaya na ang problema, so para isarado mo yun to, tapos nag-imod ka, kaya man matuturog ka naman son. Tinurugan mo yung kagabi na cellphone, nag-aandar, mararaot yan naman cellphone mo. Thank you po. You. Ay, salamat. Nag-reply na si tita. Tita. Milan. Hi, Milan. Gazia Getipay. Gazia. Matulog ka na? Ha? Matulog ka na? Ha? Maano ka? From Chin Japanese. Chin and Chin, his are Japanese. Okay. From Japanese. Wish. Take me by the hand and wish. I need to take a nap. Sir Thomas from Denmark, thank you for joining. I need to stretching because I fell cold and sleepy na. Charot. Midan subscriber you. Thank you Milan for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate po. Beautiful eyes. Really, thank you. A lot of people think if say I have a beautiful eyes. I have a beautiful eyes. My God. Tunay na tunay mahal. Thank you so much to those who subscribe my channel. Tunay na tunay mahal ka sa akin. Tararara. Karaoke Rinaldo Franca. Dahil sa'yo ang puso ko ito'y natutunan. Sadya kong ganyan sana. Bilbel. Thank you. Pagkaingatan, pagdaraan, dahil minsan lang umibig, ang napili ay ikaw. Huwag sanang sasaktan, ang puso na sa'yo'y ang napili ay huwag sanang sasaktan na sa'yo'y nagmahal. Minsan lang umibig, ang napili ay ikaw. Okay, Cheryl, I will catch up with you soon. I'm getting a bit sleepy, so good night. See, hello to your man for me, your friend. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. God bless. Nice to meet you here. Thank you for joining here. Sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Napili ay ikaw. Huwag sanang sasaktan, sa'yo na sa'yo mahal. Dahil sa'yo ang puso kong ito ay natutong magmahal. Sadya ganyan sana. Paglaruan dahil minsan lang ulit lang ito ay ito na sarado ang pwede dito. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. you. George, Ruben, Angel Benetos, thank you so much. Dahil minsan, thank you so much. Tik, huh? Ano daw? Sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Thank you, God. Thank you, Zizmi card. Zizmi card. Sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Thank you sa likes. Hi sa lurking. Lalo na sa aking haters. Thank you so much for lurking. What sa gorgeous skinny girl? Gorgeous skinny girl. Thank you. Ikaw lang talaga. I need to pee. I need to pee. Wait. I pee. My gulay. Greetings from Colombia. Wait lang. Where? What happened? It was so cold. My goodness. How warm it. Thank you so much. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She's always on my mind. Every time I wake up, till the clouds up. Don't wanna let her go. Be no good, broken back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe for boring. Kaya baka lima na ako kopi ko blanca. Kaya Gab. Kaya Gab. Baka limang kopi ko blanca. Thank you sa likes.
Mama,
Pa?
bakal man ako.
Opo.
Loud na yun, nga 20.
Ako man. Ay, kulang nga dayon 15 ano? 15. 20. Kaya nga, 2 na 20. Oh, edi ho.
Walang 5.
Ang galing.
Mama, kulang do, 17.
17. Dos.
Ihiin ako.
Pangko. Maybe my love will come back some days. Only wait lang. Ito ako. Thank you so much. Oxygen body. Oxygen body. Akala mo naman. Cha-cha-cha. Oh my God. Ang kulit. Thank you so much. Ang kulit. Why? Thank you, God. Sorry. Oh, thank you so much for the likes. Ano ba yan, Gab? Gabriel. Limutan mo pa ba aking nalulumba? Ano niyo sa aga? Alas 7.
1:30.
Tara?
1:30.
Hapon?
Apo.
Kala ko aga. Sumapractice pa na aga? Ha?
Hindi man. Ayun.
Come on, let's drink coffee. Fallen Med. Coffee. Robin George Jimenez. Thank you sa nag-like. To lie is not a sin because a sin is salt. So to lie is a bridge. Bastag. Hi, cartoon cart. Hi, Sir Cart. Looks like Cheryl. Sir Cart. Coffee. Winning here. Coffee po. Have a nice day. Coffee at midnight. How long will you stay online? Not yet midnight. Mm, I don't know of how long, but it's very long. I don't know how it longs, but I know it's long. It's long. Coffee, my writing getting worse every day. Ah, okay. How are you, Sir Card? 80 minutes till now. Where are your others? Where are your other brothers? They're sleeping. Say balot, please. No. I don't eat balot. Disgust. I also don't like balot, yes. What's the first word came in my mind? The U in card sounds like a Siemens and balloon. Ah, okay. Good. Balloon. Ah, yes po. Yeah, I don't eat balot. Maybe. Ah, ah, no. I never tried balot. But here, they like balot. Now you got it, yeah. Earth, earth, blood, good. 13 viewers, where are they? Any watching you getting tired? They are just watching. Maybe ano, lurking down. My eyes is falling down.
Now, vegetable. Ay, baka mag-stop na.
What is your wish on your shirt? My wish? This is be the best
Magusto mo.
change you wish. Be the best you
Gusto
change
mo.
wish to be. Mom. Thank you, Kuya. The change, yes. The change.
Six, seven. Hmm? 1 million naman.
The change.
Ay, ano 1 million? 100. Wow.
Be the best. Be the change you wish to see. I have to think about maybe till next week.
Bigla na.
Yes, next week. My God, wish come true. The one who created this shirt, I am sure he had some red horse. Oh my god. Maybe. I just buy this shirt at the store. Oh my god. Because you love the color of that's nice. Yes. I love the color. I love this color. Need to fix my medicine box. Can you help me? How can I help you, Sir Kurt? Sir Bolosan, why you say that? You don't know me. And I'm not single, I'm taken. Thank you, Lawson, but I am married already. Thank you, Kurt. I'm living here in the Philippines in Bicol, Sir Kurt. Bicol province. Province. House number needed. Street is enough. Uh, house number. Street. Now, not house number. Like the street is enough. Hiking. Good morning to you, night here. Hello, hello. Next song, Agustin. Yes, good night. Thank you. Good morning to you. Oh, I see. Southeast of Luzon. Yes po, southeast. Polino, Polino. Hi, hi girl. I am a girl. Are you spilling? Huh? Thank you, Miss Merit. Thank you, Miss Merit. I'm getting married soon. I hope so. How to go to the barber to get faded? Going to the no market, something like that. If summer is coming, do it short king. Yes. For haircut, yes. Need to go to the market, go to salon or the barber shop. So haircut. For the haircut, yes, nice fade. Nice fade. Shah is going to the market to get a haircut because all is so expensive now. Yeah. Yeah. Expensive now. Maybe I'm going to the market, go to salon. Maybe Friday. Madon Marbs. Madon Marbs. Identify. Identify. Guhit ng aking palad. Yes, plus you have to tip the barber, you know. Modern Marbs. You're so beautiful. I am a girl, people. See, I look like Chinese. My name is Daniela, and what are you doing? My name is Cheryl, and I'm Filipina. Tip is allowed or is a must? Tip is allowed. Tip is allowed. Tama na yun, kuya. Matulog na tayo, kuya. Ang guhit ng aking palad. Pauline. O, diba? Pauline. O, diba? Thank you for the likes, guys. Ang guhit ng aking palad. Sorry. I'm so sorry. What is your name and a favorite song? My name is Sheryl and my favorite song is Lead Me Lord. The Power of Love. Good to remember me for the like. Sorry and did it again. Thank you, Card. Hi, thank you po, Sir Card. My God. Thank you so nagla likes. Thank you for the likes. Where's Mike? He's still sleeping. Can you sing it for me, please? What a song. I'm not a singer, but I try to sing a song for you. Pauline, Mike is sleeping now, so that's why. My Mike, love you. You are so nice. Thank you, Jane. John Mark, John Marcos, John Marcos. Your favorite song? My favorite song. Lead Me Lord. Any song. Mikey, wake up. Wait, I need to the lyrics of my favorite song. The Lead Me Lord. All my days, all my life, you are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, oh Lord, I need you there. My God, I'm not a singer, my God. Hey, Gary M. Gary M. The singer is the Gary V. Gary Valenciano. This is wow, that's great. So favorite lead me, Lord. Let me be the helm, or let me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that oh, in feels what I can. There is no other heart that I can lean. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. You walk by me across the lonely roads that I'm in pain. Show the way to live inside your heart all my days, all my life. Thank you so much. You are my love, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. Wait, I need to find another. Where is Mike? Is he in Australia? No, he living in Sing it to me, pretty lady. Hi, Big Lon. Thank you for joining, Big Lon. Do you miss him? Yes. Thank you, Big Lon. Mike, he living in America. He's an American.
Tapos yan.
Biglan, Pauline. Hello, my friend. Hi, Biglan. There's no other that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord. How he can sleep now if he in USA? Uh, Early morning there in USA. He sleep late. Arms a little, show me the way. Is that your brother? No, he's my son. My only son. My only kuligo. All my days, all my life. Mike, stand up. Oh my god. All the time I need you are my light. I am here, son. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I have a boyfriend. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Favorite song. Thank you. 15 people in the house. What is his name? His name is Mike. My boyfriend, his name is Mike. It's Mike. We are talking about Mike, the last harp, Pauline. Yes, Pauline, we are talking about Mike because Mike is my boyfriend. I love you. Why you love me, Wojie? Woj. Ah, no, so what? So what? Madon Marv, so what? Woj says like, are you Polish? Hi, Jeff Kettle. Thank you, Jeff Kettle. James Round. Hi. Hello, James Round. Really? Yes. Really. James Bond is also here. How not? James Bond. Did you get did you guys get married and I don't know what we're doing. Getting married soon. Planning to getting married. Yes, it's planning. No, I am her son. Too young to marry. My goodness. Sir Card. I can't imagine if you are my son, my God. I'm single. Okay. If you're single, ready to mingle. Me, I'm not single, not ready to mingle. I'm taken. When it's coming? When it's coming? He coming here in the Philippines. Might come here. I mean next week. Next week. Yeah. Next week. Next week. Still single. Just you will be happy till the end. Taken, yes, taken. Thank you, Biglan. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Biglan. All my days, all my life, you are my life. Mm. Thank you so much. 47 years old. Oh, you will be fine. The right one for you. Would thanks, Biglan. God bless. 47 is not too old to stay single. Works for every age. Works for every age. My God. All my days. Mm. 47 is too old to stay single. Works for every age. Biglan is new. Yeah. Biglan, his good friend. His old here. Not new. Tama na yun, ga. Magturog na. Jollibee, Kuya Jay. Have a nice day, Kuya. Yes, I'm from Poland. I don't like my country. Why? I think Poland is a beautiful country. Why you don't like your country? What happened? Can you, at, what do you call this? Pauline Biglan maybe is the right one for you. Hey, my darling. Hi. Oh my god. Pauline and Russia is annoying. Oh my god. Would Zigs. I am from Austria. Welcome here in Bicol. Thank you, Sir Kurt. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Ama, saya mana? Ama,
I'm thinking of reducing my moderating duties so I can spend more time on a channel. I moderate for too many channels. Good job, Biglan. Thank you so much, Biglan. Thank you so much. God bless, Biglan. We are talking about politics only. How annoying since 4 years. Nature's true life. Cheryl, back to you with the wall in the back. Hi. Thank you, Nature's true life. What are you eating? A candy. Biglon is not a must. I am Polish, Polish, from Poland. Polish is from Poland. Cheryl Kender her name. She will be very sweet if Mike arrives in 10 days. Yeah. What country are you from? I'm from Philippines. Philippines and I'm Filipina. Would you? Mike is your man, Cheryl. Yes. Mike, he's my man. Oh, you're waiting your man. Yeah, yes. I'm waiting for my man. I am using my daddy phone, but my phone is Daniela. Pauline, not allowed kids here. You know what? How old are you? Sana all. Thank you. Daniela, greeting to your dad. Greetings to your dad. Sexy mo idol. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Nature's True Life. I am also using my dad's phone. I am not allowed to. Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Paulina, apologize. You should be asking po. Yeah. Thumbs. That's sad. Thank you, Nature's True Life. Too young to be around us adults. We talk so much. Blah. Yeah. No, my legs is not white. This is no, light brown. My skin is light brown. It's brown, not white. Thank you too, though. I'm tired, but I lost in gamble, Cheryl. Okay. Oh, why? Why? Why you lost? Oh my god. I don't like gamble. Thank you. The candy is sticky. Not hard. Hey, video. What it does, Melda? I'm on my Monterey. Okay, Cheryl. Wow, Monterey. Celebrating Monterey for your jowa. Oh my god, my life is 2 hours. Nature's for life, yes. Thank you for the likes. It's one of us. Your legs are solid. Thank you so likes. So you're ready to have time with your man, Cheryl Sana? Yes, I'm ready to have time with him. Nah, excited. Gab, Gab,
Ah,
aking girog ka son,
man.
but nervous. Excited but nervous.
Yun. Huwag talaga yun ako.
Nervous, yes. Why na? Because first meet, you know, guys, hit the like and sub and share a blessing. It helps you have a nice door and membership is that extra. Thank you, Nature Straw Life. Thank you to this. Thank you, Sir Card. Small tip. Thank you so much. My dad told me I have to send a small tip to apologize because I love my mom. Anyway, don't understand.
Nanay ko, di ako marang mag-record.
Thank you, Sir Card. Thank you for the tip. One of us. Thank you so much. That's funny. My God. Thank you, Sir Card. My dad told me I have to send a small tip. God bless. Why shall you have a membership worth 1K? Yes, worth 1K dollars. Why not? Why not coconut? I think no one can afford, no afford but 1K. But who knows who how the 1K membership? My God, it is very fun. What do I get to see? Yes, it is called the genuine one. That's called. It's very fun. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Card. I think no one. Sidat. Hi, Sidat. So only fun. So only fun. Maria Mansilla Greciano. Hi. Can you imagine someone does? Yes, that's why I don't know if I imagine if what if someone the membership is 1K dollars. Oh my God, who is that? Amazing. They will ask you what they get. Uh, I think they get my attention, something like that. I think I always mention this person in the whole month, something like that. Yes, because it's a very interesting person. Why he Why is it the membership of 1K? My God, 1K dollars. USD dollar. You might have to have time with him and your boyfriend. Thank you, Dad. Sharing the time, yeah. What if? Like something like that. So, for now, no one. No $1,000. My God. What for? If use my mom phone, this is no problem. Another one. If he's paying that much, he better he getting a worthwhile gift from you. What the heck? Another one. No one can afford that. That's why. So for now. Thank you, nature is true life. 30 minutes time out. 30 minutes. What about $2,000 membership? $2,000. No one. Not yet. It will teach them to not use their parents' phone. Yeah, the $2,000. Not yet. The membership. No, no, no one. Not yet. Nature to love. Why you time out my sister? She's your sister. That's your sister. My bad. Hi, Wally. Thank you, Sir Ronnie. Hi, po. People need to say something. Yeah. It looked Dodge. It looked Dodge. Dodge. Well, shall I can end time out of if he's being serious? Bye. Like bad. No worries. Hi, Ma'am Grace. Hi, Pom. Good evening. Hi, Ma'am Grace. On time out. No worries, nature through life. Thank you for joining, Pom, Ma'am Grace. Alice silent on GTV. Okay pa. Alice silent. Kailangan ng ano, Ma'am Grace. Cheryl can bring them back as on the need. Yeah. Okay, after. Yes pa. Off. Off. Okay, after off. Okay, after off. Yes po, Ma'am GTV. Sure, is that actually his sister? Guys, can you ano? What the hell? We just say she. Wow. I thought I thought you all joking. Yeah, we're joking. Cheryl on timer out. Cheryl on timer out. Thank you, Ma'am GTB, for joining. Ma'am Grace, thank you so much. God bless po. Now he said that's his sister. I don't know if Sir Kurt his sister. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe he's just joking or something like that. Sir Kurt released here his sister. Hmm. I was joking too. In reality, she is my brother. Yes, I knew it. Sir Kurt is just a joke. He's joking. What the heck is going on? Yeah, he's joking. No need to get serious. Aray, you guys play too much. Yeah. Chill, chill. My God. You are too serious. Nature's true life. Hi, Ricardo's Fidelity. Ricardo, thank you so much, Ricardo. Thank you to someone hit the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. What's the perks? The perks. Uh, wait. Not yet. Not yet. What the perks? What you want? The perks. I need to learn about the perks. They get invited to the wedding. Yes. Yes. Everyone is invited to the wedding. That's the perks. My God. What's the Mm. Like what about like $100 Australia ED me membership $100. Wow, oh my God, yes, half the price the $100. What another perks? I think for the shout out, something like that, the perks. Can you suggest what the perks? Uh, what I need to put the perks? Maybe suggestion, something like that for the membership. I am back, guys. Hi, Pauline. Oh my, how you do that, Pauline? My God, it's weird. Thank you so likes. How you do that, Pauline? My God. You have to stay for years as a member. Then maybe then we didn't get arranged. Oh my God. Funny. I am using my daddy phone. My name is Daniel. Oh my God. Pauline, I am happy you back, my sister's brother. Daniela, okay, if you have behaved nice, you can stay. Sir Card. My good. Ano ba? Cheryl, who is talking to me? Who's talking to you? Nakaantok na ako. I feel sleepy, my God. Sir Car, thank you so much. I feel sleepy na. Thank you, Pauline. Thank you, Donnie. Sir Donnie, thank you so much for joining. Everyone here. Thank you, Nature's True Life. God bless everyone here. Thank you, Mom GTV. God bless Ronnie. Everyone here to join here. Thank you so much. Daniela, it's Kurt. Where you from? From Sir Kurt. Thank you, Sir Kurt. I fall asleep na. Thank you so much for joining. God bless. Love you all. Bye bye. How old are you? I'm 41.